Alright, so this is a warehouse delivery. It's got some soil going to a landscape company. So I just got 4 pallets of soil here. Should be an easy delivery. I can't drive in the warehouse.
Why?
Because it's against the law for one, and two, our company policy.
You're the only one.
I'm the only one that does it right. I'm the manager for the whole Southwest. I can't do it wrong. I train everybody how to do this for a living.
And why can't you? Wow.
It's against OSHA. 6 years ago, I got yelled at doing it when I was a young driver.
Well, how do they get it out of a warehouse?
Well, most warehouses have pallet jacks or their own forklifts that are propane or electric. You don't run a diesel forklift inside of a warehouse.
I can't leave it outside. Somebody will steal it.
You guys don't have a pallet jack?
No. See, everybody else put it inside.
Yeah, they're not supposed to. Home Depot did?
Yeah.
Who? Which driver?
Oh, I have no idea. That's how that pallet got there.
When did that get delivered?
Last week?
No, I did that one last week outside. That was an outside delivery. How'd they get it inside?
That I can't answer because when I came in, it was there.
Yeah, I don't know how they got it. Somebody got it in because I delivered that outside like 6:30 in the morning out front because nobody was here.
No. Huh. Is this a new rule? Because you guys have always done it before.
Well, there's a reason that guys keep getting fired because they keep doing stuff that they're not supposed to do, like delivering to garages, delivering in stuff like that. It's an insurance liability for our company, and we're not Home Depot. We're a shipper. We're a trucking company, and they don't. If something happens, Home Depot doesn't cover our damages or anything like that. So if I come in there for some reason, this thing starts on fire, burns down the place, it's on our insurance. So that's there's multiple reasons why we do not go inside buildings.
I don't know today.
Yeah, I mean, the last one, we have another delivery to your other company outside of Palm Springs. We just delivered it right here right by their door in the parking spot or whatever it was, right next to the door like this.
Wow, okay, well then I guess...
Who'd you get your deliveries from before?
From Home Depot. Home Depot's always delivered them for us. So, I mean, I've been doing this for 30 years.
Because I've been out here for 5 or 6 years, and I have never been here.
Yeah, this is our second location.
Oh.
The first one's in Palm Springs, but this one here is we've had it for 3 years. Yeah, I guess just put it there then.
Okay, I'll light them up. Or you know what? The other thing you can do, when you set up the delivery, set it up for threshold, and then they bring it on a box truck, and they have the pallet jacks. There's more than one delivery company for Home Depot. Maybe that's what they've done before.
Pallet jack is the little one.
Yeah, you just crank it up. Because that's a whole different delivery company. All right? Alright, well I thought that was going to be easy, but I should have been out of here already. But, I don't know, this guy seems to be getting deliveries from Home Depot for years, but I've never seen the place but once last week where I delivered outside. And I delivered the first time to the other place last week. For the first time I delivered outside, so I don't know, maybe the box truck was coming, but they didn't pay for threshold, so it's going to come on a flatbed. Otherwise they got to break it down. These are too tall for the box truck, and they'd break it down and then the pallet jack it in, but they got to pay extra for threshold, so. But that's the thing, you know, customers always want you to do more than you're allowed to do. And if you go inside that building, hit some kind of electrical cord or something, sometimes they got electrical plugs on the floor, stuff hanging from the ceiling. There's all kinds of fun obstacles that can be inside a warehouse that you don't know, because unless you've worked at a warehouse, you wouldn't even think about it. But, you know, they don't want diesel. This is a diesel Moffett. They don't want diesel Moffets inside buildings anyways because of the carbon monoxide. So that's the whole point of that in the first place, why forklifts are propane or electric. So even the ones at the stores, they're not diesel. You know, they're propane and they're electric, and that's why they can operate them inside the store. I can't bring this thing inside our store. They'd have a fit. So, it's the same thing at the store as it is at the customer. But, you know, to have a warehouse and not have a pallet jack. I mean, I even have a pallet jack and I don't even have a warehouse. I can't. A warehouse that big, too. What if you wanted to move the stuff around for something else? That's just crazy. And you could get pallet jacks online for shit, $150 easily. If they get as many deliveries as they have already, they would have paid for threshold. That's an extra $20. They would have been halfway to buying a pallet jack already. If they would have paid threshold, so might as well just get a pallet jack. But that's the way that goes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a note in here, just in case they complain. And you know, it's an outside delivery regardless anyways. I shouldn't even have to worry about putting notes, but I just do it. So I'm going to put customers expecting delivery inside warehouse. Flatbed is outside delivery only. Alright. You know, some of the sales associates, they don't know the rules and they don't understand the difference of the trucks. So maybe if they complain, whoever sold that, now they can see the notes and now they know better next time. Instead of promising somebody something, they'll know not to promise them that. Okay, well, that was supposed to be just a simple delivery, but it still was. I just had to explain the rules, which I shouldn't have to do all the time. But it's constant. The store's constantly getting new employees. And I do more training for the stores, actually, it seems like, than I do for our company. But that's the way this works. So anyways, give me a like or subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and leave a comment if you'd like, and I'll talk to you guys later.